The big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture. Spend 2,999 or more and stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 1 million rands. View our latest catalog and shop these amazing deals by the 6th of April 2025 while stock lasts. T's and C's apply.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance the Tunis 0 kumdlalo we-CAF Champions League. I-quarterfinals bedlala pha ke eLoftus Stadium. On any other day, Bobo, that looked like a sold out. For game eqale ngo-3, i-crowd bise-Loftus namhlanje, it must be commended because I don't think there's any game enodlala ngo-3 midweek igcwalo lahlobo igcwele ngalo. So well done to Nina as fans of Sundowns for going out and supporting your team, and also congratulations for the win, Bobzid. Kodwa nilwelani bobo. Why nisilwa? Nizishayelani indwendo. Indwendo ashaya.
Ithi Shane before singena lapho mfethu ngiyakutshela namanje mina ngikhulise kahle ngicela ngiqale ngibulise eqala Shane. Ithi ngibulise uJusto, ngibulise uNkuleko, ngibulise uTsono Junior, ngibulise noLindo Pep, ngibulise nawe Brian. Yeah, yazi Shane ngendaba zokulwa. Yazi akusisithombe sihle Shane. Ngifuna ukukutshela. Akusisithombe sihle angithanda ukuthi ingaba ngalendlela ifootball ngenye into man kumele si unite Shane. Sports kumele si unite abantu. Hayi indaba ukuthi kumele kugcine sekuchitheka negazi, you understand into ezinjalo. Akusimnandi Shane, akusimnandi asikhonto into efana naleyo ukuthi kumele kuliwe ema stadium, but into engakutshela yona ukuthi Shane, a visitor should remain a visitor Shane. Kunendlela kumele uziphathe ngayo mangabe uyisivakashi. Akumelanga ukuthi uziphathe kabi. Egcineni uzobona kwangathi mhlawumbe kunabantu abangasikahle. Uma ngabe mhlawumbe wena Shane unengane ekhaya, kuvakashe ingane mhlawumbe esithize emndenini wakho lapha eJardini. Wazi ukuthi ingane evakashile yakhala. Kusho ukuthi ayiphathekanga kahle, kusho ukuthi no khona wrong kulabantwana bakho okusikahle. Even though leyo ngane leyo kuyiyo ezikhalisile mhlawumbe uqalele yo fight. You understand? I don't like the way North African behave ngakhona. It's not the first time Shane. Lokho angeke sikufihla. I remember when they knocked Sundowns out last season ku home and away. Lapha eLoftus. Ba mosha into eziningi kakhulu. Abantu abathengisa lapha izinto lapha estadium baye baphulelwa izinto ngalabantu bachitha ama dustbin. You understand? And ngalomzuzu bawinile uyangithola. So today ngithe uma ngibheka lento yiba baqale lento Shane. Angifuni ukutshela manga. I'm not saying you can fight fire with fire, no, but yiba baqale lento because ukuthatha lawo mabhena weMamelodi Sundowns bawadabule ila icale khona lempi baphula ibarricade like into mhlambe ebayijwayele bona ukuyenza. I understand, but akusisithombe sihle Shane because igcina sekulimala abantu baningi abantu abalimele lapha. Even nabalandeli beSundowns bakhona abalimele like you because bengikhona lapha ngikhonile ukubona nami ukuthi kwenzakalani, even though ngabonanga kahle konke ukuthi kwenzakaleni, but ifight iqalwe yibo Shane.
It was said because le scenes sesibona on social media, but what we saw on screen, even their officials, they were fighting after imdlalo. I don't know if you noticed that they were fighting. I'm sure when mhlawumbe busy Pakistan trying to stop a fight, but also lapha ebaleni bebekhe bazama ukulwa nasebaleni. So in North Africans, I don't understand ukuthi sometimes babanjani, but ke andifuni sidwele too much on that because something beautiful happened namhlanje, and that is Mamelodi Sundowns beat the Esperance. They still need to play a second leg next week on Tuesday, but into ebalulekileyo is that Sundowns won namhlanje and they didn't concede. Must remember last season they were knocked out 1-0 the team eLoftus, but namhlanje Sundowns made sure ukuthi they don't concede at home, they only score, meaning that should Sundowns go there and score first izaba khona ingxaki.
Before ngena kuyo Shane 2 seconds. Sicela siyeka ama clips esiwabonayo azosikhulumisa amanga. Uzobona iclip la khona uShane ashaya uBobo ngempama. Ucabanga ukuthi no Shane wrong. Kanti uBobo khona kwenzile okurong. So asidlule lapho Shane. Ngiyayibongisa Sundowns. Congratulations to Coach Cardoso, the technical team, players, the way ngibona bathola ama results ngakhona. Remember Shane, this is a CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
It's not like we are playing Betway. It was difficult. The way iqale ngakhona iSundowns, it was a boring game, Shane, because mawungabheka iSundowns the first 15 minutes, I think 15 to 20 minutes, begijima kuboma 80% ball position, if I'm not mistaken. We understand. And lela bhola lela silibonile iSundowns idlala phambilini, ayizange lenzele nix. Ku dominator, you can dominate ball position, but at the end of the day, ama results yiwo la azochaza ukuthi udlale kanjani nje at the end of the day. So mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi iSundowns uma itholela ama results iyenze kahle kakhulu because akunalokho ingakwenzanga ku CAF Champions League ukudlala ibhola elihle. Uma ungakhumbula kahle la sibuya khona kulaba qeqeshe besinabo badlala ibhola elihle kakhulu but azange sibe nama results right besinoka out kuma quarter finals semi-finals. So now I think uma ngabe ucoach Cardoso grind ama results ngiyacabanga into enhle mina leyo because of uma udlala iCAF ungabheka kunendlela okumele udlale ngayo iChampions League yala ekhaya ayifani nama Champions League wase Europe because lapha badlala open chain.
Yeah.
La ekhaya la ungabuka baba ngenye indlela man that is why ngithi I wish when time goes on ngathi ngaphuma le away goal rule so that wonke umuntu adlale kahle azi ukuthi sizo attackana at the end of the day mangabe sidlale draw home and away ama penalty or extra time, you understand, because ngibone the way Sundowns idlala ngakhona beyidominator inokhi ball halfini yayo la khona iEsperance beyifuna ukubamba iSundowns nayo ngalawo ma counter laba lahla khona, you understand. Unfortunately la ma counter abo bawamikisa wide whereby sibona ukhuliso ukuthi ngerecovery umdlalo ofana noLunga special second half what a player Shane bakuthi ngerecovery. Yes ngalesa sikhathi kunoMudiba because siyambona umdlalo ofana noSores kunama mistake awenzayo lapha emuva, but remember Shane ukuthi iSundowns ithanda ukubuilda njengoba sazi ukuthi idlala ipiano ngishushine, so ithanda ukubuilda and uSores ugood man ebhola Shane, but i-primary job yakhe ukudefend. That is why agcina aba exposed because at the end of the day lento kumele ayenze as a defender kayenzi and bambamba ngepace uyangithola. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi sometimes kumele ukuthi kube la khona ba change khona uma under pressure kumele ukhahlela ibhola kunala ngimbone 2-3 amabhola abona ukuthi under pressure clear ibhola into enhle le Shane because the more ba comfortable ebholeni uzoba nenkinga because bazokupress uzothola abadlali abazokupress like uWilliam kunala khona ngibona ukuthi uRonza kunala athathe risk khona, you understand, uthola ukuthi bayampressa abe under pressure. Sometimes siyothola abanye abantu bazokupressa kanti bapresse ne opponent uthi uyaliphasa abalwini. Angisho ukuthi akumelanga ukuthi silbuild but Shane kumele ukuthi uread ubone ukuthi isimo sinjani before ufuna ukubuild, especially mangabe ufuna breaker in the middle. Yes ngiyavuma lapho because once uzoba breaker in the middle especially lapho ku Debs nabo Alend I think we are done because wazi kahle ukuthi ilento besidinga, uyangithola. So Shane ngibonile iSundowns mina idlala special first half ayizange idlala igame uyibonile ukuthi beyinjani first half bengacaci ukuthi kuyenzakalani. So Sundowns win igame ebenchini today. Omunye umuntu angathi aka assistanga umdlalo obuye ebenchini akayenzanga ini. Shane uyadlala ibhola ingasinawo ngifuna ukukutshela kunabadlali abakhona ukudlala ibhola lingasinayo. Lama run awenzayo sometimes akhona ukuthi ayenza abanye abadlali abaphethe ibhola abakhona ukudlala. Ngijabula the way umdlalo ofana noLunga angene walungisa ngakhona. uLunga, let me tell you something guys, ngamani mhlawumbe singamthandi simzonde sithini, but for mina ngifuna ukutshela into one, uLunga uyawenza umsebenzi wakhe as a defender. uLunga since abuya ku loan ngimbona wenza kahle kakhulu. Unfortunately mhlawumbe ukuthi akusilo umuntu othanda ukulibhaza njengoba mhlawumbe abaqeqeshi bafuna ukuthi kube nomdlalo ozodlala ngalendlela kuno Aubrey, but uma uthola ama opponent Shane asebenzisa speed, mina I prefer uLunga kuno Aubrey. Ngifuna ukutshela iVAR uma ngabe ngidinga abadlali abane pace because manje sibhekele ya center left yethu uSores akana pace, so you need someone ofana noLunga one pace ozokhona ukulungisa yonke lento enzeka lapha. Bheka uLunga ungene wadlala kamnandi ngakhona, ubheka umdlalo ofana noSales. uSales mina ngiyamthanda Shane uyadlala ngakhona. Uyazi uSales ngicabanga ukuthi asim-understand udlala kanjani. uSales akusumdlalo ukudlala eboxini. Uma adlala eboxini kusuka kungana space akakhona ukudlala, mdlalise as a false nine uzombona. Uyazi uma umbukela sometimes la TV ngiyacabanga bongamboni kahle, mina ngimbone kahle Shane. Umbheke off the ball kunala fika khona libhaza abona ukuthi akunasidingo sokuthi kumele ngilibambe, kunala khona libambe uSales athene khona abheke ukuthi okay ngilisa up. Mina I think uSales udlale kahle kakhulu kule game namhlanje Shane. Ama-sub wakhe mara Shane angiboni ukuthi kusazoyithola igame efana noAdams awuthama. Yazi lo mjita loya angazi ngathi ungamfanisa nani, yazi ngathi unamehlo ngapha emuva the way askena ngakhona Shane. Yazi angeke umpress lo yamdlalo, uzothi uma umpress uyazi ukuthi immediately le bhola ngilifuna ngiyazi ukuthi ngilisaphi. Ngikhumbuza the like of Surprise Morel angifuni ukutshela manga Shane sinomdlali lapha Shane lo ngibona ukuthi wenza izinto zenzeke kuMamelodi Sundowns give credit kulabadlali Shane bheka the way uLucas bekangabonaki ngakhona bekamakhe ngakhona first half but lo buhlangana benabo kuleya goal kuleya secondary assist uma ungambheka ubonile ukuthi these guys baphushile kancane bafuna ubambe offside trap but walithatha walibeka behind the defense web sibona khona ukuthi nabo abazange bayishaye kahle i-offside trap yabo la ngibona khona Adam sathatha ibhola akayo ushasha ene uyazi ushasha ngalama bhola avela la kulama cross udangerous kakhulu ngalama tap in udangerous kakhulu ushasha so uyumdlali ngaloso angakudisappoint ngama first touch because umbonile first half bekaloka busy amosha amabhola awaluza amabhola but ushasha letha lama bhola lapha eboxini utso uzokutshela ngoshasha uyazi ukuthi umthanda kanjani utso uma uletha ushasha lapho ukutshela kahle manje Sundowns izokora uyabona so ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi Sundowns isebenzise leya chance ukuthi idlale but into engakutshela yona ukuthi iChampions League idlala ngalendlela Shane I don't expect more from Sundowns ukuthi bangaze bahlobise benzeni because at the end of the day ama results dlalile nabo sadlala kamnandi Esperance last season banokhi Sundowns home and away ama results athini Esperance hambile idlala ifinal so nathi mangabe kumele ukuthi sidlale kabi but sithola ama results let's play like that sithola ama results hambe sodlala ama semifinals because ayikho into esizoyenza because ama North African athi team yokuthi mhlawumbe uzothi they will buzzer ngakhona bazogcina bavule especially badlala away no bebazeli draw babonile angeke bavule then uthi uzocreate uthola ama pockets or ukuthi uzothola space behind the defense is not easy. I like the way coach Carlos senza ngakhona to drop umdlalo ofana nobani no Reynas because uyazi Reynas ukuthi udlala ngani udlala ngalama space behind the defense and ubonile ukuthi these guys angeke bapush bazohlala emove ithi ngingamsebenzisi umdlalo ofana no Reynas but Shane ngifuna ukutshela ngizaba ngenza mistake uma ngathi uReynas angeke aqale eTunisia. I think ucoach uzomsebenzisa eTunisia because these guys bazofuna ukusipush bazofuna igoli early the more bafuna ukuthola igoli early bazocreate lesa space siyodinga abadlali abafana nabo bani nabo Reynas siyodinga abadlali abafana nabo Maseko lapha emuva ukuthi okay bane pace I know ukuthi bayizonda ipace ama North African bazonda ukudribula you understand so ngiyacabanga Shane ngayibeka lapho indaba eSundowns the way ngibona idlale ngakhona but ngiyababongisa kakhulu the way badlale ngakhona Shane.
Thank you so much, Bobo. Thank you so much. It's Mamelodi Sundowns won kumdlalo weCAF Champions League. I-quarter final first leg. Remember next week Tuesday at 9 p.m. Sundowns zabiphake eTunisia izabe idlala nayo ke Esperance Tunisia. Sundowns were supposed to be playing on Saturday against Stellenbosch, but that game has been postponed because you must remember now so Stellenbosch siyadlala ngomso against Zamalek ku first leg weCAF Confederations Cup. Then nabo they have to travel to Egypt over the weekend. So lamdlalo we Sundowns up against Stellenbosch has been postponed.
Yamosheka ibirthday yami yazi bengifuna ukungcoba Stellenbosch ibirthday yami unfortunately I know angeke sikwazi ukudlala sihamba siyodlala eTunisia Shane.
I know sabe siphetha amakheke Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday Shane.
Oh yes, Saturday.
No abantu abahlanganiphile Shane birthday ngo-April.
Let me close it. Ujason Cooper yellow card uthi no Zakupa. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.